welcome to another episode of Glue and Make. My name is Firefighter Paul and I'm on call, so if you hear the bells or my alerter goes off, I've got to skedaddle because I've got a fire call. So what are we going to make on Glue and Make today? Well, we're going to go outside and take some photographs with our DW Fire nature art frames. These nature art frames are so easy to make, and when we take photographs through them, they show off the wonderful colours and patterns of our nature. So what are we going to need to make these DW Fire nature art frames? First of all, you need some cardboard. Then you're going to need a small pair of scissors. And remember, scissors can be sharp, so it's always best to ask an adult. And you're going to need some pens and a pencil. And sadly, there's no glue on this make.
Oh no!
Okay, let's get on with the make. Made our frames. Now this is when the fun starts. Grab a camera and we'll go outside and see what results we can get. Like my photographs, and remember to send me some of yours, as we would love to see them. Enjoy the countryside and all its wildlife, but remember, do not drop any litter and don't have a campfire or a barbecue. Take a picnic instead. Keep looking at dwfire.org.uk for loads more glue and makes, baker makes, and loads of other fascinating things to do. Until the next time, you take care, be safe, enjoy the countryside, and we'll see you next time.
Hooray!
See you later.